Welcome to Knowledge Hub, your one-stop shop for enriching knowledge and practical lifestyle tips. Today, we embark on a refreshing journey to unlock the secrets of a thriving summer in India's unique climate. Gear up for the heat. As the temperature soars, so can health concerns. But worry not. We've got you covered with science-backed insights specifically designed for the Indian summer. Hydration, your body's best friend. Did you know dehydration can set the stage for fatigue, headaches, and even heat stroke? Studies show that adults in hot environments need around 3 liters of fluids daily. Make water your constant companion, and consider incorporating fruits like watermelon, 92% water, and cucumber, 96% water, for an extra hydrating boost. Protecting yourself from the sun. Sunburns aren't just uncomfortable. They can also increase your risk of skin cancer. Here's a powerful duo. Sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen generously 15 minutes before sun exposure, and reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Sun protective clothing. Opt for lightweight, loose-fitting clothes made from breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Consider UPF, ultraviolet protection factor, clothing for added defense. Vulnerable age groups. A caring approach. While everyone feels the summer heat, some require extra care. Infants, older adults, and those with pre-existing conditions are more susceptible to dehydration and heat stroke. Here's how to be their summer guardian angel. Monitor hydration. Offer fluids frequently, even if they don't seem thirsty. Popsicles or flavored water can be enticing options for children. Limit sun exposure. Schedule outdoor activities during cooler mornings or evenings. Keep them cool with hats, umbrellas, and air-conditioned spaces during peak sun hours. Power up your plate. What you eat significantly impacts your summer well-being. Here's how to fuel your body for the heat. Hydrating foods. Embrace nature's water reservoirs. Watermelon, cucumber, celery, yogurt, and coconut water are excellent choices. Electrolyte replenishment. Sweating depletes electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich fruits like oranges and bananas or consulting your doctor about electrolyte supplements. Live a cool life. Small lifestyle tweaks can make a big difference. Lighten up your meals. Opt for smaller, more frequent meals that are easier to digest. Spicy foods can also increase internal heat, so consider milder options during peak summer. Beat the peak heat. Avoid strenuous activities during the hottest part of the day, typically 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Embrace cooling practices. Yoga and meditation can promote relaxation and help regulate body temperature. A cool shower or bath can also provide temporary relief. Unlock a secret weapon for your summer health. Indulge in a refreshing glass of sattu sherbet. This traditional Indian beverage is made from roasted Bengal gram flour and packed with electrolytes, protein, and fiber, making it a delicious and nutritious way to cool down. Stay tuned for more insider health hacks in our upcoming videos. With these insights, you're now equipped to conquer the Indian summer with confidence. Remember, a healthy summer is a happy summer. Until next time, stay cool and stay healthy. Subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more expert advice to keep you thriving all year round.